First, connect your Android phone to your computer using a USB cable. Once your phone is connected, you may see a notification or pop-up on your phone. Depending on your phone, you may also see a USB options menu. Select Transfer Files. Now, go to your Windows computer. Open File Explorer. On the left side, you should see your Android phone listed. Click on your phone. Open the phone's storage. Usually, photos and videos are stored in the DCIM folder. Open the DCIM folder. Then open the Camera folder. Here, you will find the photos and videos stored on your phone. Select the photos or videos you want to transfer. Right-click on the selected files. Click Copy. Now, go to the folder on your computer where you want to save the files. Right-click inside the folder. Click Paste. Windows will now copy the selected files from your phone to your computer. Once the process is complete, you can open the folder and check your transferred files. That's it. This is how you can transfer photos, videos, and files from an Android phone to a Windows laptop or desktop computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.